Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Let's place 250 grams of softened butter at room temperature into a mixing bowl. Add 1 egg, 1 tea glass of vegetable oil, 1 packet of vanilla, and 1 cup of powdered sugar, then mix. Initially, I added 3 cups of flour. Add half a packet, that is 1 teaspoon, of baking powder, and continue mixing by adding flour little by little. When the dough starts to come together, remove the spatula and continue kneading, adding flour little by little. In total, I added 5 cups of flour. The dough should be soft and not stick to the hands. As shown in the video, take walnut-sized pieces and roll them into balls. Place them on parchment paper, leaving small gaps between each. Then, as shown in the video, press down the center of each dough ball with a rolling pin to create small wells. Then into each well, add about 1 teaspoon of tahini. Sprinkle a little granulated sugar on top of each. Also sprinkle some crushed hazelnuts. Then bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, keeping an eye on them. In my oven, they baked in about 20 minutes. Take them out of the oven and let them cool. Once completely cooled, the cookies are ready to serve. As you can see in the video, they have a wonderful appearance and a delicious melt in your mouth texture. I'm sure if you try these delicious cookies, you will love them too. Bon appetit to those who will try. If you watched my video until here and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares.